I think I found the perfect spot to live the good life. Kia ora, I'm Shar Davis. Welcome to 23 Gould Crescent. If you like to be warm and dry in winter, cool in summer, have a garden to grow your own fruit and veggies, and a nice safe section fully fenced, I think I found the perfect spot. If this house had hands, it would say, "Pick me, pick me." All the hard work has been done for you. The biggest decision for you now is which of the two decks do you want to sit back and relax on.